works by injecting recycled carbon dioxide, CO2, into fresh concrete during mixing. Once injected, the CO2 undergoes a chemical reaction where it transforms into a mineral, improving the compressive strength of the concrete, which then enables the reduction of cement content in mix designs while maintaining strength requirements. The CarbonCure technology is made up of two boxes: the control box, which is the brains of the operation, and the valve box. The valve box connects to a CO2 tank and delivers a metered quantity of CO2 into the concrete mix. The CO2 is stored on-site in a pressurized tank provided by industrial gas companies. The control box monitors the performance of the valve box system in real time and feeds back all usage data to the CarbonCure command center. The control box software integrates seamlessly with all existing batching software, so adding CO2 into a mix is just like adding an admixture, meaning no impact on batching or loading cycle time. Transfer hoses deliver liquid CO2 from the supply tank to the CarbonCure valve box, which is at the plant loading area. The valve box then meters and delivers a known amount of CO2 into the concrete mix based on the cement content of the mix. The CO2 automatically injects into the mix once roughly half the cement and water contents have been discharged. While liquid CO2 is stored in the tank on site, the CO2 that comes into contact with the concrete is actually in a solid and gaseous state, similar to dry ice or snow. It changes state once it leaves the CarbonCure valve box due to a significant drop in pressure. Upon contact with the mix, the CO2 undergoes a chemical reaction and converts into a mineral, calcium carbonate, which makes the concrete stronger. Plus, what was once CO2 is now eliminated, never to be re-released into the atmosphere, even if the concrete structure is demolished. Concrete made with CarbonCure has no differentiating factor from concrete without CO2 in it. Fresh and hardened properties and early age strength gain are not affected. Any mix design can be adjusted to include an optimized dose of CO2 and a reduction of cement content without compromising the concrete strength. This means CarbonCure mixes can be used in many commercial and residential applications. Every cubic yard of concrete produced with CarbonCure's technology saves an average of 25 pounds of CO2 emissions from entering the atmosphere.